What are the perfect ingredients for a virtual reality headset cleaner, such as UltraView VR Cleaner? UltraView VR Cleaner Gel is made of 4 components. The first one is water, but a special one. In fact, there are many types of water according to their degree of purity. Specifically for laboratory use, there are 3 types of water: type 1, type 2, and type 3. UltraView VR Cleaner uses type 2 water, which is used for media preparation and buffer creation, for example. An incredibly pure solution. Additionally, it is also deionized. It means that we remove the most impurities, minerals, and possibly dangerous metals like copper or lead. The fact that the solution doesn't have ions makes it attract dust, minerals, and those metals from the lenses, like Swiffer, for example. The second component is the detergent, which makes possible removing oily fingerprints and grime from your headset. Its additives contain special polymers that give anti-static properties to the lenses. It means that they will not attract dust and small debris for a long time. The third component is isopropyl alcohol. Yes, it will not ruin your virtual reality headset lenses, because UltraView Gel contains only a small concentration, in between 0 and 3%. It is actually isopropyl alcohol together with the detergent that allow a sparkle, shiny final effect. The fourth component is gel itself. In fact, its consistency and adhesive properties are able to better trap dust and grime from your headset. And where you spray it, it stays, so you don't have to deal with annoying drippings. UltraView VR Cleaner was independently tested by Colts Laboratories, which verified that it will not leave streaks or smudges, ensuring a 0.0 haze rate. Like and follow for more.